Hello there everyone and welcome back. Now in this lecture, I'm going to walk you through an amazing tool in Pictory AI. So this tool right here is a game changer. It's an absolute game changer and you'll be the first to know because this is a complete tutorial about that. Now I'm going to click log in so that I can log into my account, and I suggest you to go and click free trial. Now, in my case, I'm going to be able to log in directly. So let me break Pictory AI down to you as simple as possible. But first of all, if you want to benefit from a coupon code, please use the coupon code that you see right here, because that will give you 20% off, because I've negotiated a deal with Pictory AI, right, for 20% off for the students, or for the students that we have here on Udemy. And make sure that you click the link in the resources of this particular lecture that you're watching right now. That's in case you want to take this more seriously, or in case you want to use the pro version of Pictory AI to remove the watermark, to make sure that when you download the videos, that the videos are absolutely free from the watermark and that you can enjoy the videos. So here's what Pictory AI is capable of. Now, the first thing it's capable of is the magical thing is converting from script to video. Now, this is awesome. So you can go take a script and it will convert it to video for you. Now, let's just quit talking right now and go to ChatGPT and prepare a script. Let's say, for example, you're trying to promote a software. Let's say you're promoting Bluehost, for example, which is a hosting platform that people go to. Or let's say, for example, you're promoting Hostinger, because that's my preferred hosting platform. Now you can come over here to ChatGPT. Now here, I'm not going to use GPT-4. I'm going to use GPT 3.5 because you guys and girls, chances are you don't have the plus version, so you will not be able to use the GPT-4. But GPT 3.5 is enough. So here I'm going to say, I want you to use the PAS copywriting framework to create a sales script for Hostinger and make it extremely short. All right. So here it's going to go ahead and write a script for us. So now this is the script. Now, let me see over here. Now, are you tired of a slow website? Okay, so good. Now over here, let me go back to Pictory AI. All right. Now I'm going to click on script to video and click proceed. Now there are some tutorials, but there's not going to be a need for you to do that. Now here I'm going to click Hostinger promo video, for example. Let's say you're an affiliate. You're promoting Hostinger as an affiliate, or you were hired by Hostinger to create the promo video for Hostinger. Now make sure that you name your video. Here I'm naming it Hostinger promo video. And I'm just going to come and copy the script over here from ChatGPT. So just copy the entire script, come back over here to Pictory AI and just paste the script. Now, obviously, we're not going to leave the letters P or A or S, because those are significant for P. Problem is P, A is answer, right? And no, it's problem, agitate, solution, problem, agitate, solution, problem, agitate, solution. So obviously here, we're not going to keep them. I'm going to remove them. And I'll show you something very interesting that you need to make sure that you do, because that is extremely important when using Pictory AI. So let me first of all go and try to clean up this particular other stuff here. So I'm going to pause the video until I clean everything up. And I'll come over here and click on scene settings. And I'll make sure to click over here and click line breaks, because I want for every line to have a scene. Now here, it's saying, are you tired of a slow website, website loading times and high hosting costs? Now over here, we could basically split this up to have more scenes. So here, instead of, we could have two scenes. One is about slow website. The other is about hosting costs. Over here, introducing Hostinger is the second one. So I'm going to start putting breaks. The ultimate solution and for fast and affordable web hosting. Now over here, I'm just going to split here with Hostinger. You will experience lightning fast website speeds and reliable performance, ensuring a seamless user-visitor experience for your visitors. Say goodbye to excessive costs and hello to budget-friendly hosting plans. that won't break the bank. Our plans start at $0.99 a month, making it easy for a wide range of features, including a free website builder, 24/7 customer support, and 99% guaranteed uptime. And then, of course, don't let slow loading times and high costs hold you back, or hold your website back. Switch to Hostinger today. Now here, I'm just gonna remove the other part because that's not relevant. So right now we've got our script. We've made sure that the scenes are broken at line breaks. Now we can click on proceed, and this will take our script and it will transform it into a video. But first of all, here you have to make sure you choose how you want to have your basically your captions or subtitles, because the subtitles are actually important. But if you choose not to have them, you can remove them later, but you can't just remove them right now. Now, in my case, I would select subtitle dark, and I would choose an aspect ratio for 16 by 9 inches, which is the regular size for a YouTube video. Now, according to my calculations, probably this video is not going to be more than 2 minutes, but let's wait and see here. So you can see that Pictory right now is loading. So basically it's going to go in the back end, and it's going to basically load the video. And once the video is ready, we can basically look at the video, and we can even edit the video. All right, we can edit the video, we can edit the creatives, and we can even edit the text that we've entered. So the script that we've entered, we can edit everything. And we can later on export the video and download it as a video that you can post later on some other place. So let's just wait right now and see the results of Pictory AI. All right, so right now we have our video, except for the fact that this video here has no voiceover, and it probably doesn't have a background music to it. So in order to get that or check that out, we will do it, but not now. Let's just wait a second here, because I'm going to show you around the software so that you can get the full grasp and master the software as you go along. So here you can see that the estimated video duration is 1 minute 41 seconds, which is awesome for a promotional video. All right, because normally promotional videos, they shouldn't be that long. So they should be, I mean, at the most about 2 or 3 minutes. And for every particular scene, for example, this scene right here, which is, are you tired of slow loading websites? The scene duration is actually 5 seconds. And so, for example, this one here is also 5 seconds. This one is also, I believe, 5 seconds. And you can control the timing. So for example, let's say you want to reduce the scene to 4 seconds. You can do that, except for the fact you can't be really sure whether the voiceover is less than 5 seconds. Because if the voiceover is not less than 5 seconds, if you cut it to 4 seconds, this will probably reduce your voiceover. It will basically cut a word or something important that people will have to listen to. Now over here, you can click on visuals. Now, once you click on visuals, you can see all the visuals that basically here Pictory has used to create this particular promo, right? Now over here, they're not loading as they should. Now, many of them are not actually loading, but a bunch of them are loading well. So let's just wait for the other ones until they load. Now over here, you can see the ID. You can see what are the videos that Pictory have chosen to use and to show, right? So these are the videos. Now, there are pretty good videos. Now, if you want to change these videos, if you want to delete a video and remove it and basically add your own video. For example here, are you tired of slow loading time? Now, you could go to, let's say, Canva, right? So I'm still here on Canva, by the way. So I'm still, I have this window open. Remember that this scene is only 5 seconds. So the video that you replace this scene with has to be not more than 5 seconds. It has to be exactly 5 seconds. Now, let me go back to Canva here. And let's look for someone, for example, who's angry, right? Someone angry. Now, why angry? Because it's someone basically that signifies someone who's frustrated of the load times of a website. I couldn't find an angrier person than this guy smashing the computer, right? So here, he's really smashing the computer, by the way. So hopefully that's an old computer that nobody's going to use. Now here, I will reduce the time of this video to 5 seconds, and then I'll click over here on done. And then I'll come over here and I'll name this video scene number 1, right? You can go far or as far as saying for Hostinger promo video so that you can organize your work. It's always great to organize your work so that you can understand where you left off. So here, I'm going to remove the sound as well because there's no need for the sound. Set the video as background. Come over here, click on download. I could download this video as extremely HD, which I'm going to do, so why not? That's a pro feature. You can use just the normal feature if you want, or if you don't want to, you know, I would say not download that much quality. But here, once the video is getting downloaded, go back to Pictory, click on the scene which you want to change or swap the video with, and make sure you click on it. Then go to visuals, then go over here to my uploads, and then wait for the video until it downloads over on Canva, and just upload that video, and then we will replace this particular scene with that video. And then we'll continue onwards doing the same thing until we got the promo video that we desire. And so let's continue. Right now the video is still loading, right? So let's just wait a second here. All right, video is loaded. Let's go back, right? So I'm going to come back over here. I'm going to click on the files. I'm simply just going to drag the file, right? So I'm just going to drag it, right? Click on it. There you go. Click on save. There you go. That's pretty straightforward, but at the same time, pretty fun, right? Because you're doing something here that people are willing to pay money for, right? And also you could use it as an affiliate, because I have a course that basically teaches you how to use artificial intelligence and how to use it on affiliate marketing. But that's besides the point. I can click over here. Now, once I click, the video is automatically going to be applied to the slide that I have clicked on the story. And you can see that it has been replaced right now. So now that you know how you can go about replacing a particular scene, let's go to elements over here. So elements, there's nothing to this. I mean, except for the fact if you want to use GIFs or emojis, which I'm not a proponent of, but in case you want to use them, you can do so, because here they have a bunch of emojis, and all you have to do is to select the scene. And let's say, for example, you want to add this particular emoji, you click on it, and it will apply to the scene, which basically is over here. Now you can see that this is particularly the GIF. Now, if you want to delete that GIF, you can just select the GIF and delete it.